Ready? Three, two, one, start. The cancer literally of smoking has proved one of the most endemic preventable dangers to human well being. It kills 7 million people annually from the deleterious effects on people and families to the burden on healthcare systems to economic losses caused by poor workforce productivity full stop. But despite a sustained global effort to counter the habit, we keep smoking full stop. New paragraph. Why this is so? Because of the strength and stealth of the tobacco industry, which collectively commands billions of dollars across the world, where it comes under pressure in one place because of anti smoking laws and taxation that are in place in many countries, Pakistan included. It raises its ugly head in another full stop. It is with some air of hopelessness than that last week in Islamabad, the Pakistan National Heart Association issued an open letter urging persons in positions of social influence to be wary of being lured into a campaign titled Ab Khasara Bas Khudara that has been launched by the industry in protest against taxation on cigarettes. Full stop. New paragraph. The government's tobacco control cell tells us that at least 23.9 million adults use tobacco in some form. Full stop. Amongst the youth 13 to 15 years of age, 13.3% and 6.6% girls are tobacco users. Full stop. The WHO notes that tobacco use here is continuing to grow due to steady population growth, low prices, lack of awareness, and aggressive tobacco industry marketing efforts. Full stop. This is so despite measures the country has put in place, including bans on sales to minors, smoking in public places, and on advertisements. Full stop. New paragraph. Contrast this with New Zealand's move, also last week, to install a circuit breaker. Full stop. According to the plan, people aged 14 and under in 2027 will, amongst other measures, never in their entire lifetimes be allowed to purchase cigarettes. Full stop.